Dare.
Are you kidding me? Go get him! Yo, get loser! Get! Thank you! Bro, what a... Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh my God. Oh my.
Video locked.
Someone sent me this video and asked me to identify this woman road raging at her in Chicago, Illinois. Take a look. So if you see here, you see this white car constantly brake checking this black car here, and that's because earlier the white car was behind the black car, and this woman was angry at her because apparently she wasn't going fast enough. And then watch, as she tries to get away. Whoa, what the hell, lady? This is straight up terrifying. It's like the scene out of Terminator 2. Okay. Alright, she wanted me to identify her, so here we go. Okay, well, so once again, the cops can't figure it out and they need my help. No problem. Her name is Melanie E. Ramirez of Chicago, Illinois, and she's been arrested several times for like this. So it's no big surprise. There's a name there for the Chicago police to go ahead and take action. This person's clearly a menace to society, so please do something about it. Road rage brings out the worst in people, but you know what this person did correctly that everyone should always do? Stay in your car. Stay in your car.
I'm behind it. 1560 behind it, southbound 826. 74.
Hey, we're still southbound. It's approaching 2nd Street.
Go behind it.
vehicle? She's still going southbound. Therefore, you advise she's still going forward the vehicle?
Multiple signal 4. She's trapped inside the car.
Let me see the water.
Look at this. It's illegal fucking shit. How you doing?